Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ओम भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 शांति शांति शांति।
Swami was clearly sending a message, bhakti, bhakti, bhakti.
భక్తి 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 ఈ రెండక్షరములందే సర్వస్వము ఇమిడి ఉంటున్నది. భక్తి అనేటువంటిది బకారం ప్రధానమైనటువంటిది. ఆ భా అనేటువంటి కాంతి నుంచి తీ అనేటువంటిది ఆ కాంతిని ఆకర్షించేటువంటిది తీ. భక్తి శక్తి, భక్తి నుండి శక్తి, శారీర మానసిక ఆధ్యాత్మిక శక్తులు మూడింటి యొక్క ఏకత్వమే శక్తి. ఈ రెండింటి ద్వారా రక్తి, ప్రాపంచిక సంబంధమైన రక్తి. ఈ ప్రాపంచ సంబంధమైన రక్తిలో మనం మునిగి తేలటం చేత విరక్తి, అప్పుడే దైవ రక్తి. భగవంతుడు మనకు భుక్తి కూడాను అందిస్తాడు. ఈ భుక్తి చేతని దేహంను కాపాడుకొని దైవ రక్తిని మనం పొందాలి. తర్వాతనే దీని వల్లనే ముక్తి అనేటువంటిది లభ్యమవుతుంది.
There was another episode where we had spoken about Balapattabhi Chettiar. So this Balapattabhi was sitting in a corner, sitting straight, and he was reading the Bhagavad Gita in Telugu. So Swami sneaks behind and Swami says, "Hey, what are you reading?" He says, "Swami, Bhagavad Gita." And Swami asks, "How many verses are there?" He says, "Swami, 700 verses." And Swami tells him, in the 700 verses, 3 are the most important. Paritranaya Sadhunam, where he says, "I come to protect and give joy to the devotees." And the other is Ananyas Chintayantoma, where he says, "If you think only of me without thinking of anything else, I'll take care of everything." And the last one is Sarvadharman Parityajya Mamekam Sharanam Raja. All 3 which epitomize the quality of devotion.
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश,
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश,
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश,
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश,
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश,
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश,
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश,
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश,
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश,
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश,
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश,
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश,
जय साईशा 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 राधा माधव जय पतीशा राधा माधव जय पतीशा राधा माधव जय पतीशा राधा माधव जय पतीशा जय साईशा जय साईशा जय साईशा जय साईशा हृदय सारथे साई कन्हैया सारथे साई कन्हैया हृदय सारथे साई कन्हैया हृदय सारथे साई कन्हैया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया जय साईशा जय साईशा जय साईशा जय साईशा राधा माधव जय पतीशा राधा माधव जय पतीशा जय साईशा जय साईशा जय साईशा जय साईशा हृदय सारथे साई कन्हैया सारथे साई कन्हैया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया राधे गोविंदा प्रशांति निलया जय साईशा जय साईशा
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
दुर्ग दुर्ग देवी दुर्ग भवानी
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 काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
राजराजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राजराजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राजराजेश्वरी साई नारायणी
कपालिनी
दुर्ग दुर्ग देवी दुर्ग भवानी
दुर्ग दुर्ग देवी दुर्ग भवानी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
काली महाकाली कपालिनी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
मंगल गौरी माता महेश्वरी
राजराजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राजराजेश्वरी लक्ष्मी नारायणी
राजराजेश्वरी साई नारायणी
राजराजेश्वरी साई नारायणी
काली काली महाकाली कपालिनी
शिव शिव शम्भो महेश गिरीशा शिव शिव शम्भो महेश गिरीशा हर हर साई महादेवा ओम हर हर साई महादेवा
A crown of hair in orange robe. A crown of hair in orange robe. Loving eyes, a heart of gold. Loving eyes, a heart of gold. He flows to us across the sand. He flows to us across the sand. Sacred ash
नारायण तू पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तू सिद्ध बुद्ध तू स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तू सविता पावक तू ब्रह्ममस्त तू यव शक्ति तू यीशु पिता प्रभु तू रुद्र विष्णु तू राम कृष्ण तू रहीम दाओ तू रहीम दाओ तू वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तू चिदानंद हरि तू अद्वितीय तू अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू आत्मलिंग शिव तू.
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
ఈనాటి విద్యార్థులు మొట్టమొదట గుర్తించవలసినది మానవుడనగా ఎవరు, ఎట్టి గుణములు కలిగినటువంటి వాడు మానవుడు అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని గుర్తించడం అత్యవసరం.
Today's students will have to understand basically who is man, what are the qualities of a good human being.
మానవుడనగా విశ్వాసము గల వ్యక్తి.
A man means the one who has faith in himself.
నమ్మకం గల వ్యక్తి అని.
The one who has belief, faith.
తాను నమ్మినటువంటి దానిని ఆచరించినప్పుడే నమ్మకము దినదినాభివృద్ధి నొందుతుంది.
Faith and belief grow only when you practice what you believe in, what you have faith in.
పవిత్రమైన వాడు మానవుడు అనేటువంటి సత్యాన్ని విశ్వసించాలి.
You should believe that man is essentially a sacred being.
పవిత్రము అనేటువంటి పదం యొక్క తత్వాన్ని మొట్టమొదట గుర్తించాలి.
We have to understand in the very first instance the meaning of purity, sacredness.
లాటిన్ భాష లోపల విర్ అనేటువంటి పదం నుంచి ఆవిర్భవించినటువంటిది పవిత్రం.
This purity has taken its origin from the Latin word vir.
విర్ అనగా మానవుడు అని.
Vir means man.
పవిత్రమైన వాడు మానవుడు అని దీని అంతరార్థం.
The inner meaning of this is man is basically pure one.
ఇట్టి పవిత్రమైన మానవుడి నుండి వెలువడేటువంటి తలంపులంతా పవిత్రమైనటువంటివిగా ఉండాలి.
Thoughts which emanate from such a pure man must be basically pure.
పవిత్రమైన మానవుడి నుండి వెలువడేటువంటి వాక్కులు కూడా పవిత్రమైనవిగా ఉండాలి.
The words which flow from such a man must also be pure.
పవిత్రమైన మానవుడి నుండి చేయబడేటువంటి చేతలన్నీ కూడా పవిత్రమైనవిగా ఉండాలి.
All the deeds and actions of such a man must also be pure.
తలంపులు, వాక్కులు, చేతలు పవిత్రమైనటువంటి స్థితికి ఇవియే మానవతా గుణములు అని.
Thoughts, words and deeds, when they are pure, those are all qualities of human beings.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवं मर्यन्तयो नीवे स्वामी मर्यन्तयो नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शयना ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुको मंगल आरती अंदुको मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः peace 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 on earth peace 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 for all the universe for all the universe for all the universe जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
Saram everyone, my name is Drishti and this is Sai, my Japanese maple tree who I planted in my front yard as part of the National Tree Planting Initiative. This year, for Swami's 95th birthday, we are aiming to have at least 950 participants take part in this initiative, and I really wanted to show you how simple it is to be involved in the comfort of your own home. So if you don't have a large outdoor space to plant a tree, you can consider some other options, such as planting seedlings in pot plants that you can grow into beautiful indoor plants for yourself or to gift to a family or friend, or even to donate to a local community garden or a local nursery. Now, we know that Swami has taught us that nature is a manifestation of God. Mother Nature nurtures us and provides us with precious natural resources that we consume every single day, and it really is our responsibility to do what we can to preserve, conserve and restore these resources. Last but not least, don't forget to take a photo of you undertaking this activity and to log in your details on the tree planting spreadsheet, or get in touch with your Enviro coordinator or your regional service coordinator so we can maintain a log of who has participated and helped us reach our national target. Happy tree planting!
Mm-hmm.